Namaskar. Welcome to Ancient Wisdom. Whenever we are doing corporate presentation, there is always a line or always a slide over there which says what is in it for me or what is in it for the people. This is to drive the self-motivation. But when the same thing is applied to society or even private life, the results are disastrous. Even in the company, the results are not very good, but because the results are seen quarter to quarter, at some point of time, the correction kicks in. Otherwise, what is in it for me is an extremely narrow, extremely self-centered and disastrous approach. Just think of it, had our ancestors taken this approach, we would not be here today. And that is why we need to shun this approach as much as possible. The paradigms of this approach in other areas of life are like this. For an exam, for a student who is learning, he asks, what is in it for me? Translates as, what information out of this is likely to come for examination? Let me only study that. In place of textbooks, let me study guidebooks. In place of guidebooks, let me study question bank. And in place of question bank, let me only study last minute revision. Because that's what is in it for me. But this person, when he passes the exam and goes to the society, he is completely useless. And that is how so many unemployable engineers are created today. In terms of society living, a person who is throwing garbage out in the open area, common area, is there any threat for me? Is there any CCTV camera which will find me? If not, it is beneficial for me to throw the garbage because that saves me some trouble or taking it to the dustbin. Same way, on the road, is a policeman there? Is a camera installed? Is anyone likely to stop me or catch me? There is nothing in it for me. I can always cross when the signal is red. The same behavior is disastrous for the society. And that is why our ancestors always started with the society-centric approach. Today we use these terms Swartha and Paramartha rather loosely. Swartha meaning something that is in it for me, and Paramartha meaning that is something there for others. But as per ancient wisdom, Swartha means Swa-artha, something that means something to me, and Paramartha does not mean something for the others. Paramartha means more of Swa-artha, that is higher category of Swartha is Paramartha. And in Paramartha there is always Swartha, because whatever improvement you do for the society, whatever improvement you do for the country, whatever improvement you do for yourself, one way or the other, it is going to come back to you at some point of time. The circle is much larger. And that is why they say, Neki kar aur darya mein dal, that is keep on behaving in a manner which is productive, better, contributor to the society. And in the process, at some point of time you will gain, if not you, your offspring, or your next generation will gain. There is nothing in it for you if you are planting a old mango tree today, because it will take 20 years to come up. But if you do not plant, there may not be any trees 20 years later if everybody thinks the way you do. And that is why it is your bounden duty wherever possible to plant a tree. And not to ask this question, what is in it for me? We have to ask, am I doing this for the betterment of the mankind, betterment of the society, betterment of the country, or betterment of my near and dear ones? That is ancient wisdom. Namaskar.